Alright, so this is just a quick video to fix the patrolling enemy issue. For one, for some reason this wasn't attacking, and two, this one was attacking even though it was facing away from us. It ended up being just the way I wrote the code, having that overlap circle. So what I ended up doing was changing it to a line of sight, and so what you're going to want to do is delete all of the code that you had in the update, and then replace it with these lines. So if we're breaking this down, then what we're going to do is obviously check to see if we're close enough to attack, right? But then we're also teaching the enemy which way it's facing. So if it's facing, so the boolean here is it facing right? And if it's facing right, then this, if it's facing to the right, then its transform.x will be greater than 0. And then we're going to check to see what side the player's on, right, by seeing if the player's position is greater than the enemy's position. Next, we're going to check to see if the enemy is facing the player. So if is facing right is equal to the player is facing right, then we're going to run this attack player, and then we have this at the end so he doesn't keep walking while he's attacking. He stops, swings, and then if he hits the player dies. If he doesn't, the player moves out of the way, and he's not like in attack range, the enemy will then patrol. And that's how that kind of fixes that. So when it's all said and done, it's gonna end up looking something like this. I'm going to cut the audio manager off for the music so you don't hear it, and so you're just gonna kind of see it kind of play out. And there you go, and that's how that works. I'll see you in the next video.